sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Today's video, guys, we're gonna do an oil change on the Mamalona, but this time it's not gonna be about the engine oil. This time, guys, we're gonna be doing the differential oil change. That's right. The Mamalona has 100,000 miles right now, and I have never done the differential oil change, so you're about to see 100,000 miles differential oil change. Alright, my sexy welding people from YouTube, before we jump into the video, this video is sponsored by Super Clean. Super Clean dissolves grease super easy and super fast. That's right. You can get it in foam, spray, and you can use it on grills, engines. I put some in my Mamalona. Alright, guys, so I cleaned it with Super Clean. Look at that. This cap right here was nasty. Now it looks perfect, 100%. So I cleaned pretty good. It's good for environment. You can find it at your local stores like Home Depot, AutoZone, Walmart. So whatever store you like to go shopping at, you can get it right there, right? So don't forget to get yours. Super Clean. Now let's jump to the video. Alright, guys, so the oil is dripping right there. As you can see, it's not that bad. So it's not that bad. The only thing that I'm concerned is this fella right here. Look at that. Damn. The gasket didn't fall or anything, so I'm gonna reuse the gasket. It looks pretty good. Oh, yeah. and sexy welding people from YouTube. That was it for today's video, guys. A beautiful day today, Sunday. Captain Manny just doing some maintenance on the Mamalona. That's right. We cleaned the hood. We cleaned everything we could possibly clean with super clean on the Mamalona. We changed the differential fluid, so now it's perfect, 100%. I love it, the mother. But that was it for today's video, guys. Just remember to stay safe out there. Keep welding. God bless, and I'll see you next time. All right. Bye.